This is every Turkish aircraft currently operated, ordered, or entering service. Fighters, tankers, transports, trainers, helicopters, and combat drones. More than 500 aircraft and unmanned systems. Some form the backbone of NATO operations, while others represent Turkey's next generation of air power. First up, combat aircraft. F-16C fighting Falcon. This multi-role fighter forms the backbone of Turkish combat aviation. Produced under license by Turkish Aerospace Industries, it serves across multiple air bases and squadrons. Around 234 aircraft remain active, with modernization programs introducing advanced avionics, radar upgrades, and improved weapons integration, while new Block 70 variants are also on order. F-4E Terminator 2020. This fighter bomber is a heavily modernized version of the American F-4 Phantom II. Upgraded with Israeli technology, it continues serving in limited numbers despite its Cold War origins. Around 30 remain operational, performing strike, testing, and training missions, while Turkey gradually prepares for their eventual retirement. Eurofighter Typhoon. This advanced multi-role fighter has been selected to strengthen Turkey's future air combat capability. 44 aircraft are planned across multiple production batches. Equipped with modern sensors, long-range missiles, and powerful engines, the Typhoon will complement existing fighter fleets while supporting the transition toward next-generation indigenous combat aircraft. Next up, airborne warning, electronic warfare, and tanker aircraft. Boeing E-7T Peace Eagle. This airborne early warning and control aircraft provides long-range surveillance and command capabilities for the Turkish Air Force. Equipped with the MESA radar system, it can track numerous airborne and maritime targets simultaneously. 4 aircraft are currently in service, with ongoing upgrades introducing enhanced electronic support and intelligence-gathering systems. Transall C-160T Electronic Warfare. This specialized aircraft performs electronic warfare missions by gathering, analyzing, and supporting operations against electronic signals. Based on the proven Transall transport platform, it serves as a unique capability within the Turkish inventory. A single aircraft remains dedicated to this role, supporting intelligence and operational planning requirements. Bombardier Global 6000. This intelligence-gathering aircraft is being modified by ASELSAN into a modern SIGINT and ELINT platform. Designed to collect electronic and communications intelligence over long distances, it combines high endurance with advanced mission systems. 4 aircraft are undergoing conversion and will expand Turkey's strategic intelligence and surveillance capabilities. Boeing KC-135R Stratotanker. This aerial refueling aircraft extends the operational range and endurance of Turkish combat aircraft. Upgraded with modern cockpit systems and avionics, it remains a critical force multiplier. 7 aircraft currently serve in the fleet, supporting fighters, transports, and long-duration missions across regional and international operations. Continuing with transport aircraft, Airbus A400M Atlas. This strategic and tactical airlifter is one of the most capable transport aircraft in Turkish service. Entering service in 2013, it can carry heavy cargo, vehicles, and personnel across long distances. 10 aircraft currently operate with the Air Force, supporting military deployments, humanitarian missions, and international transport requirements. Transall C-160T, this tactical transport aircraft has served Turkey for decades in cargo and personnel transport roles. Modernization programs have extended its operational life and improved mission effectiveness. While most examples have been retired, 1 aircraft remains active in the transport role, continuing to support specialized operational and demonstration duties. Lockheed C-130 Hercules. This proven tactical airlifter has been a key part of Turkish air mobility since the 1960s. 17 aircraft remain in service, supported by modernization programs that introduced updated avionics and mission systems. Additional C-130J-30 Super Hercules aircraft are also on order to further strengthen transport capabilities. CASA CN-235. This medium transport aircraft performs a wide variety of missions including airlift, maritime patrol, search and rescue, reconnaissance, and air ambulance operations. Produced under license by Turkish Aerospace Industries, it remains one of the most versatile aircraft in the inventory. 41 aircraft currently serve across several specialized roles. Continuing with helicopters, Eurocopter AS-532 Cougar. This combat search and rescue helicopter serves in both CSAR and SAR configurations within the Turkish Air Force. Built under license by Turkish Aerospace Industries, it supports personnel recovery and emergency response missions. 21 aircraft remain in service, with modernization programs introducing updated avionics and mission equipment. Bel-A-1H Iroquois. This utility helicopter has been part of Turkish aviation for decades. Known worldwide as the Huey, it performs transport, utility, and support missions. Many examples were assembled locally under license, and some have received avionics upgrades. 56 aircraft remain active despite the introduction of newer helicopter designs. Thai T-70 Black Hawk. This locally assembled utility helicopter is based on the proven S-70 Black Hawk design. Equipped with Turkish-built systems and engines, it performs search and rescue, transport, and support missions. The first examples entered Turkish Air Force service in 2024, with 6 aircraft currently allocated to the force. Thai T-625 Gürkbi. This indigenous multi-role helicopter represents Turkey's effort to develop a domestically designed rotary-wing platform. First delivered to the armed forces in 2024, it offers modern avionics, flexible mission capability, and improved performance. The Turkish Air Force is scheduled to receive 4 aircraft as part of current procurement plans. Next up, Basic Trainer Aircraft. CI Marchetti SF260D. This basic trainer has supported Turkish pilot training for decades. Built under license by Turkish Aerospace Industries, it provides student pilots with their first experience in military flight operations. 34 aircraft remain active, although the type is gradually being replaced by newer trainers entering Turkish service. Pak MFI 395 Super Mushak. This basic trainer from Pakistan was selected to modernize Turkey's primary flight training program. Designed for reliability and ease of operation, it prepares student pilots before they advance to more complex aircraft. More than 50 aircraft are under contract, with deliveries gradually replacing the aging SF260 fleet. KT-1T Mumbai. This advanced turboprop trainer bridges the gap between basic instruction and jet training. Built with Turkish industry participation, it equips pilots with experience in higher performance flight operations and weapons training. 40 aircraft currently serve with the Turkish Air Force, forming an important stage in the pilot training pipeline. Continuing with advanced trainer aircraft, Thai Huakush 2B. This indigenous trainer aircraft is designed to support both basic and advanced pilot instruction. Equipped with modern avionics, digital displays, and ejection seats, it prepares pilots for transition to frontline aircraft. 55 aircraft are on order, with deliveries scheduled between 2025 and 2027 for the Turkish Air Force. Northrop T-38M Talon. This supersonic jet trainer has trained generations of Turkish military pilots since the early 1970s. Modernized under Project ARI, the upgraded T-38M features improved avionics and mission systems. 68 aircraft remain in service, continuing to provide advanced jet instruction until newer indigenous trainers gradually replace them. CF-5AB Freedom Fighter. This upgraded version of the Canadian-built F-5 serves with the Turkish Star's aerobatic team. Modernized with Israeli systems, it provides high performance and agility for demonstration flights. 18 aircraft remain in service, showcasing Turkish Air Force flying skills while also preserving a long-serving fighter design. Thai Hürjet. This advanced jet trainer represents Turkey's first indigenous supersonic training aircraft. Designed for both pilot instruction and light combat missions, it combines modern avionics with high-performance flight characteristics. Initial aircraft are expected to enter service from 2026, with plans for larger future fleets supporting training and operational requirements. Finally, UAV and UCAV systems. Thai Anka. This medium-altitude unmanned combat aerial vehicle was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. Entering service in 2018, the Anka operates in both B and S variants. 36 aircraft currently serve with advanced sensors, satellite communications capability, and precision-guided weapon integration. Baykar Bayraktar Akıncı. This high-altitude, long-endurance combat drone represents one of Turkey's most capable unmanned systems. Equipped with advanced radar, electronic sensors, and a large payload capacity, it can carry a wide range of guided weapons. 20 aircraft currently serve in the Turkish inventory, supporting strategic reconnaissance and strike operations. Baykar Bayraktar TB2. This medium-altitude long-endurance drone became one of Turkey's most widely recognized unmanned aircraft. Entering service during the mid-2010s, it performs surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strike missions. The TB2 remains active with the Turkish Air Force and other national services, supported by a large production program. Thai Akıncı. This heavy unmanned aerial vehicle was developed from the Anka program to provide greater endurance and payload capacity. Capable of remaining airborne for more than 50 hours, it supports reconnaissance, maritime patrol, and strike missions. 5 aircraft currently serve, carrying guided munitions, sensors, and specialized mission equipment. TAI Anka 3. This stealth unmanned combat aircraft represents the next generation of Turkish drone development. Featuring a flying wing configuration and internal weapon bays, it is designed to reduce radar visibility while carrying advanced weapons. Initial aircraft are expected to enter service from 2026, supporting future loyal wingman and combat operations.